three-peat, three videos in one day. That's how we doing it for the next, I want to say to my birthday, which is July 25th, but I'm probably lying. Probably not going to drop 3 videos a day, but I am going to try to post at least once a day on this channel because we are growing, because y'all are liking, y'all are commenting, y'all are subscribing, and y'all hitting that post notification bell, and y'all are sharing this with a friend who's sharing it with a friend who's sharing it with a friend. And I appreciate that, and I love you for that. And I don't just say I love everybody, because everybody can't give my love, you did, but I love you for all the support you are giving me. Now, today we got Killwill, Wag the Dog. I just reacted to his video, New American Gangster. Shit was gangster. And now we finna see what Wag the Dog talking about. Somebody wanted me to react to this. And when y'all leave me comments to react to something, I'ma react to it. No more talking. Let's get it.
They wanna send your sons and daughters into war. We could almost see the letters at the door, but we don't see a cause from the freedoms that we lost. These tyrants ain't nobody to talk. They need the raiders so bad they fan the flames. The great reset is the end game. Protecting their investment, they're desperate. But right now it's all eyes on Ukraine. These reptile politicians should be strung up. Had enough, they silence us so we can't trust the corrupt. False narrative and now they supercharged, trying to make the old man into FDR. Yeah, they stole the nation right in front of our eyes, and now they're censoring the truth if it's the truth they don't like. People never see the bigger picture, they're too sensitive to information that ain't mainstream, so it's triggered. And we know they wag the dog and they wag it loud. Money and power is what it's all about. Weapons of mass distraction now. And while America dies, they wag the dog till we all fall down. They wag the dog till we all fall down. See, ain't no Russian ever call me fascist. That's just the trolls behind the screen talking mad shit. Yeah, they love to point the finger, call us traitors. These haters so riled up like future dictators. Yeah, they burn the flag and then they think they so tough, but when they try that in the wrong hood, they getting shot up. Surround you with the mob, ain't no fair fight. You fight back and you get charged with the hate crime. A war for profits, their agenda, but force us to unite behind the propaganda. Just like the Bushes, now the Bidens making gains, painting daddy like a saint while they're lining all their pockets in a war game. Living under an enemy occupation, the one world government and depopulation. And while these teachers twist history and information, they're pushing the critical segregation. Yeah, and we know they wag the dog and they wag it loud. Money and power is what it's all about. Weapons of mass distraction now. And while America dies, they wag the dog till we all fall down. They wag the dog till we all fall down. These puppets with the red button, we all know how it ends. And now the innocent gonna pay a high price for them. The same old song, bad deal gone wrong. They scare you straight so you go along. They justify and feed your lies. Read between the lines, it's all been prophesized. They wag the dog and they wag it loud. Money and power is what it's all about. Weapons of mass distraction now. And while America dies, they wag the dog till we all fall down. They wag the dog till we all fall down.
Hey man, if y'all know any more good Killwill songs, put me on. Cause I'm fucking with bro vibe. I'm fucking with the message and all that shit he got going. I like it. I want to tap into some more, but I want to know what y'all tapped into so I can tap into like what y'all tapped into, like the good stuff. I ain't trying to go do a catalog on my own and be like, all right, this nigga ass, and then y'all give me something to react to, and I'd be like, nah, I heard such and such and such, and I wasn't feeling it. So I like to react to stuff that y'all want me to react to, and if it's good, I'm gonna be like, hey, that's nice. But if it's trash, I'm gonna tell you that it's trash. Point blank period. But bruh not trash. Bruh actually trying to spread a message, trying to speak something to, you know what I'm saying? I'm fucking with it. Hey man. Y'all stay safe out here, like I always say, man. Drink you some water. Get you hot, stay hydrated. Summertime coming, it's finna get hot out you. Stay hydrated. But keep your peace, keep your sanity. Stay safe out here, man. Till next time. Peace.